How to remove WhatsApp status permanently. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove WhatsApp status permanently. First, open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device. To show you, I'm going to upload a status on my WhatsApp. Then, as you can see, our status has been uploaded. Next, tap on your status. Now open your status and tap on the three horizontal dots in the top right corner. Here, tap on Delete. Once more, tap on Delete to remove the status. As you can see, our status has been permanently deleted. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.